Hey, what's up you guys? It's me, Willover9000, coming back at you with another video. And today's video is to actually help you guys out with your media mod with your GoPro. So if this thing is not working, I will probably have the clip somewhere where you guys can see. I was actually doing a mic test for this thing and it was not working. So the way to fix that, I will show you guys how to get your media mod to work again, because unfortunately I couldn't find anything for GoPro and Reddit had nothing for this. So I decided to make a video for you guys to help you out with your media mod and for sure fix the problem. So anyways, let's go ahead and go to the GoPro itself. So there's a few things I'm going to show you guys and we'll go from there. All right. And hopefully we can turn this back on. So if the camera can pick this up, hopefully, there is the icon right here. Yeah, definitely not. Hang on, let me try to adjust this as much as I can so that you guys can see what to look for exactly. So we can get the camera to focus. There's the microphone icon right there, and it's gonna have a plus sign, so maybe I can get a picture or something for you guys to see. But basically, I don't know if you can see that, but it's right there. If you can see this plus icon, that means the microphone is hooked up to the media mod. Unfortunately, there is no microphone hooked up to this, so we need to get this plus sign off. And the way you're going to do that, guys, is simply just go to the preference, and then you're going to go to input and output. So it's right here on standard mic, and what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're just going to kind of push it up a little bit. So don't break it, but just kind of wiggle it around until it says media mod. Now that you have media mod, it should show this, and now you have no plus mic. And just to make sure this is working, we will do a video. So now you can see that both mics are working, and of course you will be able to hear the audio just in case with the video. So now you can see that both mics are working, and of course you will be able to hear the audio just in case. Let me go ahead and play this back for you guys so that you can hear the audio. So here we go. I'm going to go silent. And just like that, you have fixed the issue. So just make sure when you go to plug in your microphone, guys, just kind of be gentle when you pull it out. But besides that, that should fix the problem for your media mod. So hopefully that helps you guys, and you don't have to do any kind of updates or factory reset your camera. I was about to say computer, but you don't have to factory reset the GoPro. You don't have to do anything. So that's just basically what you have to do, guys. I know it's kind of weird, but just kind of push it up a little bit. Just kind of like move it around like that, just a little bit, and then eventually you'll see it go off. And if you're not for sure, just go back to preference and then go to output input for your mic, and then it should say media mod, and then you know for sure that the media mod mic is going to work. But if you want to get the microphone to work, you would simply just go back to that option. So wrong thing. Whoops. Go back to your preferences, and then you're going to go to input, and it says media mod right here. And of course we will be putting the microphone back in. So now it says standard mic. So when you take it out, it should say standard mic again. So just kind of move it a little bit like this, and then now you have it says media mod. So that's how you fix the audio on your media mod. So hopefully that works for the GoPro Hero 8, 9, and 10 with the media mods. So hopefully that helps you guys. All right, I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care and see you guys around. Peace.